I was diagnosed diabetic almost 20 years back. I did lots of mistakes because of not knowing many things. I learned lots of things over a period of time. I knew that it is a lifetime condition and I should avoid sugar or sweets. In this video, I am sharing with you guys the mistakes which I made, the things which I learned from my own mistakes. And I want you guys not to do the same mistakes. I've been getting so many comments and messages and questions from youngsters and other people also who are diagnosed diabetic. They are confused, they are losing weight, some are gaining weight, some are not able to control diabetes, they are following what the medication doctor has given. I was thinking that diabetes is something which is going to end my life very soon. Maybe another 10 years or 15 years, my kidneys are going to fail, my eyesights are going to be affected, and I am going to have a very miserable life in coming few years. I knew that it is a lifetime condition and I should avoid sugar or sweets. That's all about diabetes. It's only the diet that would be affecting my blood glucose level. I did not know that stress can affect my blood glucose level. I did not know that smoking can increase my blood glucose level. I did not know that alcohol can increase my blood glucose level. I did not know that even eating chapati can increase my blood glucose level. I did not know that if I don't sleep well, my blood glucose level is going to go up. I just thought that I need to stop eating sugar, I need to stop eating sweets, I need to stop adding sugar to my tea. I can drink any number of tea, it's not going to affect my blood glucose level. I was told that fruits are good for health, you should eat lots of fruits. But when I eat mangoes, my sugar level goes up. When I eat some really ripened fruit, my sugar level goes up. I was told to have chapatis instead of rice. I was told to have brown rice instead of white rice. It won't affect my blood glucose level. But all these things were really half complete or half informative or things which didn't work well for me. I was doing almost everything what my friends were telling, what I was reading in some advertisements. I was told that if I drink some diabetic tea or some herbal powder, I am going to get rid of my diabetes. I used to read articles where people had reversed their diabetes completely and they are cured and they are eating lots of sweets now. I was told that taking insulin is the last stage of diabetes, try with tablets. I didn't understand the difference between type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. I did not understand what is sugar free, no sugar added food. I did not understand artificial sweeteners. How does that affect our blood glucose level? So all these were confusions, and this is very common in most of the diabetic people, most of the people who are diagnosed diabetic. You need to really educate yourself and understand what exactly is diabetes, what exactly is proper diabetic diet. Let me tell you, you can stop taking medication if you are going to take right food, have proper sleep, have regular exercise, come out of all your stress and other issues. If you're smoking, quit smoking. If you're taking alcohol, try to reduce as much you can. I'll tell you, you can really control your blood glucose level. I used to control my sugar intake before I go to test my fasting blood glucose level and the postprandial blood glucose level before meeting the doctor, because I didn't want a very high report when I meet the doctor, because he will definitely increase my medications and he will scold me also. Those days HbA1c was not popular, or I don't know, my doctor was never asking me to do that. But now HbA1c is something which nobody can manipulate. It is the average blood sugar level for 3 months, so you cannot manipulate your blood glucose level for 3 months. So I test my blood glucose level almost every day to understand the status, or if I have changed my diet, or if I've done something very differently. If it's very normal, if I'm taking the same food, I don't have to check. And more than that, my body really tells me that okay, your blood glucose level is high today. I can feel that, I can understand it. There are some symptoms like more thirsty, or you urinate frequently, or blurriness in eyes. So there are some symptoms which will really tell me that the blood glucose level is going up. You need to be taking care of that. Losing weight, gaining weight, these are all side effects of diabetes, uncontrolled diabetes. See, diabetes is a condition where your blood glucose level is not normal, your pancreas is not working properly, it is not secreting the required insulin for a normal person. When that person has sugar or anything which needs to be converted into energy, and where insulin is needed, the pancreas secretes the exact amount of needed insulin. Now, jaga na kam, not more or less. But when you are diabetic, your pancreas is not working properly. It doesn't secrete the right amount of insulin, or it will not even secrete, or your insulin sensitivity is poor, and you are not able to convert the sugar or carbohydrates to energy. That is the situation. So I have done different things. I have done like working out regularly, having food it's like a combination of many things which would help you control your blood glucose level. It's not just eating food without sugar. See, let me tell you, if you are going to have something which has lots of carbohydrates, maida, chapatis, or rice, it will definitely increase your blood glucose level. So, you need to have food, you need to identify food which you can eat on a long term. It's not something that you have to do something for next 1 week. See, 1 week you can just go for just vegetables, or you can eat something which you don't even like, but something which you need to take care for your lifetime. You need to do something which is sustainable. For me, I've been changing my diet, I've been trying many things. I make sure that my blood glucose level is not going very high, and I am very particular about not having anything which has direct sugar. That's something which you have to promise yourself, which you have to take strong decisions, because sugar is something, if when you start eating, it's like if you start have a laddu or as any sweet which has sugar, that is really going to tempt you again to have again and again. So you need to completely come out of taking sugar directly, or any sweets which has white sugar. So you are going to get lots of carbohydrates from other things. Even vegetables will give you carbohydrates, good vegetables. Even grains, millets, they all give you carbohydrates. Oats has carbohydrates. So don't eat anything which would spike your blood glucose level. It's very simple if you understand it. If you are not able to understand, it will like keep you confusing. So first thing is, you need to understand what is diabetes, what can you eat, what are the other things other than food you need to take care. In simple few lines, let me tell you, if you are able to control your diet, if you are able to come out of stress, if you are able to sleep properly, if you are smoking, quit smoking, if you are having lots of alcohol, you need to stop that. These are few things. I have mentioned many things in my videos. Please go through that, it would be really helpful. I can assure you that if you are controlling your blood glucose level, if you are able to live a disciplined lifestyle, definitely you can fight diabetes. So don't do the mistakes which I did in my initial stages. If you are diagnosed diabetic recently, please follow these things, the things which I have mentioned in this video. Please go through my blog post. I've mentioned many things. I might have missed something in this video, but check out my blog post and my other videos. I keep repeatedly telling you guys that diabetes is something which you can really fight and keep yourself healthy, very normal lifestyle. Only thing is, you need to stop having direct sweets. Once in a while it's okay, man. Once in a while doesn't mean that once in a week. Maybe I prefer to say that you should quit having sweets. That's all. So hope this video is helpful. If you have any queries, please post in the comments. I'll answer it. That's all for now. Bye for now. Take care.